Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the ZIP file onto your device and extracting its contents. This is where the process actually begins. Once done, place the extracted images into a single folder you can navigate to quickly. Make sure you verify image formats and resolution so you pick a wallpaper that fits. If needed, rename files for clarity. You'll avoid surprises later by confirming file names and image quality now, which speeds up the next steps where you select and apply the wallpaper. You now choose which image or slideshow you want as your wallpaper and begin applying it through the OS. On Windows, right-click an image and pick Set as Desktop Background. On Mac OS, use System Settings Desktop and Screensaver. On Android, open Gallery and use Set as Wallpaper. Make sure to adjust the scaling option, fill, fit, stretch, center, or tile, so the image displays correctly across your screen. Once applied, verify how it looks across multiple displays if you use more than one. You finish by saving your wallpaper settings and confirming the final look across all monitors or home screens. If the image appears cropped or blurry, change the fit option or open an editor to crop to the display aspect ratio and reapply. That fixes scaling problems quickly. If the wallpaper disappears or files are missing, re-extract the ZIP to a different folder and check file permissions, because locked files or path changes are the usual culprits. One quick fix: reboot or reapply the wallpaper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.